Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Comparing two arrays for identical contents requires checking every element. Let's evaluate 3 Java implementations to find the one that actually works.
Implementation 1 fails because it uses the double equals operator on the array objects themselves. This only checks if they share the same memory address, not if their contents are identical. Implementation 2 is also wrong because it returns a result during the very first iteration of the loop. It only compares the first elements and ignores the rest of the array. Implementation 3 correctly checks every pair of elements and only returns true if the entire loop finishes without finding any differences. This logic is perfect. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given information and check steps for option C.